In e-commerce, packaging has to do more than just protect your products. It has to perform and reflect your brand's values. That's where EverTec Cushioned Mailers come in. Traditional padded mailers often rely on plastic, which makes recycling difficult and creates waste. But today, brands are shifting toward smarter, more sustainable solutions. Introducing EverTec Cushioned Mailers, a padded mailer designed with paper-based construction that delivers strong protection and is easy to recycle. EverTec combines the reliable cushioning you expect with the curbside recyclability of paper, meaning customers can toss it straight into their paper recycling bin with no separation required. And because EverTec is lighter than many traditional mailers, it helps lower shipping costs and reduces carbon impact at the same time. Here's how it works in a circular economy, or what we like to call closing the loop. They are made with responsibly sourced paper, shipped to customers protecting products in transit, recycled curbside like any other paper product, and renewed as new paper goods, reducing landfill waste and demand for virgin materials. EverTec isn't just good for the planet. It matters for every part of your business. For packaging designers, it aligns with sustainability standards. Marketers can use it to tell a brand story your customers can see and feel, and operations teams appreciate that they are redone, lightweight, efficient, and easy to pack. Millions of packages move across North America every day, and choosing recyclable mailers can make a measurable difference. At SupremeX, we're here to help you elevate your packaging strategy with solutions that deliver performance and sustainability. EverTec Cushioned Mailers are just one example. Contact our team today to discuss your options.